probably gone.
Oh my goodness. She's in too.
Yeah. Jeez. I'm surprised it held up that long.
Yeah.
You need like cable for
Shark.
Hey, we brought it upon ourselves. We asked for it. We are leaving the Bahamas. Yeah, pretty crazy.
Where are we headed? Florida.
We are on the Great Bahama Bank, and we just went from like 5,000 feet to 20. This pole right here, warning to every cruiser in the Bahamas. It does not have a red light on it, so if you're crossing the Bahama Bank at night, you might hit it, like we almost did when we were in a crazy storm. E, what are you doing?
Petey, choose one.
This one.
Wait. 6.
6?
Yeah.
Ooh.
What the hell?
Alright, this one. What's gonna be this one?
9.
This one.
The spinnaker is finally coming out. It has very nice colors. Can't wait to see it when it's out.
It looks like one of those things when you're in gym class and you throw it over everyone's head in kindergarten. We're able to set this up because we are running with the wind. Like a light breeze is pushing us. We set this up, we're hoping for an extra couple knots, maybe. I don't know. Switching back to the gym now. Stay with that for the rest of the night. now, and I think we're passing a huge cruise ship. It's called the Caribbean Express. I'm guessing that's a cruise ship. I'm not sure, but it's giant. I don't know if you guys can even see it. Check it. After he passes us, we have a pretty clear shot straight out to West Palm Beach. All right, peace out, guys.